Motivation is so overrated. Systems win every time. Who says this? Me. I'm Samarthya Selva. I'm lovingly called the Get Shit Done coach, marketing strategist, and I'm the person who turns ideas into action. Let me tell you about something that gets way too much credit in the business world: motivation. Most people are waiting to feel motivated before they even start taking action. They wait for the right moment, or they wait for the right energy and the right inspiration to hit them. And while they're waiting, weeks go by, months go by, and sometimes years go by. Your whole lifetime is over and you haven't started the thing that you wanted to start. Motivational is emotional, it comes and goes. Some days you're ready to conquer the world, world domination at its best on your fingertips. Other days you would rather reorganize your sock drawer than write that post or follow up with leads or make phone calls. If your progress depends on motivation, your results are always going to be inconsistent. What actually creates consistency is systems. A system doesn't care how you feel, it doesn't wait for inspiration, it just runs. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't need motivation to brush your teeth, do you? You do it because it's a part of your routine. That's exactly how business should work. Content creation, outreach, follow ups, planning. These should not depend on what's the vibe for today. They should live inside simple, repeatable processes. Here's something practical you can do starting right this week. Pick one area of your business that feels inconsistent or shaky. Maybe posting on social media, I haven't done that in a week or a couple of weeks, or booking calls, or staying in touch with your network. Then write down tiny, repeatable workflow for it. Not a complicated strategy, no flowcharts, okay? Just a tiny list, just a simple sequence. Here's an example. Every Monday, you outline content. Every Tuesday, you draft. Every Wednesday, you publish and schedule ahead of time. Same days, same rhythm. And once it's scheduled, you stop negotiating with yourself. Should I do it today? Should I not do it today? I'm not motivated. This shouldn't happen. Another reason motivation fails is because you put too much pressure on willpower. Willpower is limited. I don't even like willpower. You burn up your willpower making decisions all day long: what to work on, what to wear today, what to cook for dinner. By the time you get to the important stuff, your brain is so tired. I feel that all the time. And suddenly, playing video games feels more productive. When you have systems, they remove decision fatigue. When you already know what's going to happen on Tuesdays, or what your Friday night dinner is like, or what your morning routine looks like, you save a lot of mental energy for the work that actually matters. Try this. Create a default weekly structure. Decide in advance which days are for content, which days are for client work, which days are for visibility or networking. You don't need a perfect schedule, you just need a predictable one. Your future self is going to thank you. And finally, motivation loves big goals. Big goals. But systems love small actions. People get so excited about building six-figure businesses and massive launches, but those outcomes are built from boring, not very sexy daily habits. Sending follow ups, showing up consistently, writing when you don't feel like it. Systems make progress inevitable because they focus on what you do every day and not what you hope might happen someday. So stop thinking about ways to stay motivated. Instead, ask yourself, what systems would make this automatic? Wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, automatic. What can you do in your business that could be so automatic? That one question changes everything. Short video, but here's a recap. Motivational is emotional and unreliable. Systems create consistency. Systems reduce decision fatigue. And systems turn small daily actions into big long term results. If you build systems, you don't have to chase motivation. The work gets done right away, and you are happier and your mind is much clearer. If I gave you a tiny bit of advice that you liked, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and connect with me on LinkedIn. That's where I share a lot. If something really did help you, tell me in the comments what's your biggest takeaway from this video. I'll see you in the next one.